Good afternoon all. My voice is audible, all of you. So be careful while you are sitting in chair, and I request all you to do not touch any electric wire. Be safe, okay? So today we are going to learn something new. Before that, I want to just know what we had learned in last class.
Logical function.
Logical function. So logical function is clear.
Yes.
All of you. Okay, tell me, suppose I have a list of gender. Okay, there are males and females are there. I want to know how many males in that list. So how you find it?
Count it.
Count it. Sure.
Yes.
Very good. So today we going to learn about data validation. Any idea? Do you have any idea about data validation? You have. Okay, tell.
Data validation is of MS Excel where we can set some data restriction. Out of that, no data will be accepted.
Very good. So anyone else?
Yes, sir.
So you know. Okay. Thank you. So data validation is a features. Okay. What it is? It is a features of MS Excel where we can set some data restriction. Here, where we can set some data restriction, and out of that restriction data will not be accepted. Here, so it is a feature. So few days ago I saw a news on social media that a student got 105 marks in a mathematics. Out of 100, 105 he achieved. So how it is possible? When the news went viral, the school it was replied that it was typing mistake. But this type of mistake can be occur anytime, anywhere. So if we could set some limits, some restriction or some setting that out of 100 marks can not be acceptable by machine or Excel. So this type of problem will not happen. So data validation, through data validation we can set some restriction. Here, so this type of restriction is very important in our day-to-day life. In every sector, in every offices, you can see. For example, you are in bank. So there are different customers are there in bank. So you can see the account number is always unique. You can find any account number twice in a bank. So how it is possible? So if we set some restriction that if we put our account number twice, then data will not be accepted. So we can prevent it. Okay. So I just open a sheet. I have already made it. You can see the heading: serial number, account number, account holder name, type of account, deposit amount. And there are some limits also given below the heading. Account number, unique number only. Account holder name, not exceeding 15 characters. Type of account, FD, RD, current and savings. And deposit amount, minimum 5,000. So suppose anyone wants to open an account with 4,000, so it will not accept. So how to set these restrictions in MS Excel? So at first what you have to do, select the cells. Suppose here I selected E2 is to E10 with 11 without heading. Okay? Select the cell without heading means where you apply, where you want to apply validation. Okay? And go to the data tab. And data tools, there is a data validation. At first you have to setting validation criteria. Okay? The validation criteria, there are some criteria already given here. Any number, any value. At first, what you have to do? Set validation criteria. What it is? Any value. Means any value you can put. Second, whole number. Third one is decimal. Fourth one is list. Fifth is date, time, text length, and custom. Any value means you can set any value. Okay, whole number means we can put some number criteria like greater than, less than, between. Okay, suppose I want to set a minimum amount will be 5,000. So we can go with whole number. Decimal means also number in fraction. Okay, suppose 5.5, 6.2. List means you can prepare a list and out of that data will not accept. Date, we can set date criteria, we can set time criteria, we can set text length, and from custom we can write our own formula. Okay, so for this at first we have to select it, data validation, and what should we choose? Whole number, and condition is minimum 5,000 means greater than or equal to 5,000. So first thing is select the validation criteria. Second thing is input message. Write input message. Okay, means info. Here I just inform here minimum amount is 5,000. Okay, and last one is error alert. Third thing is error alert. So from here you can set alert means if we put wrong data, the error will display. Error message will display. So here I write sorry. Please enter more than 5,000. So you can see the message is displaying here, and I am writing 7,500. Accepted. When I write 4,500, the error message is displaying here. That please enter more than 5,000. So here, so from this way we can set restriction. Okay. So I think it is clear.
Yes.
Any question?
Yes.
No. Okay, very good. So you tell me, I want to set age limit. So age should accept 18 to 30. What should I do?
We should select the cells, then go to data tab, data validation. Validation criteria should
Which criteria will you choose?
whole number,
Whole number.
then greater than, between.
Okay, thank you. So on your paper, okay. Actually, don't see the back, okay? Just keep it front. And one more for you. Don't open it. Okay. So heading is fill in the blanks. You have just 1 minute. So there are some restriction in left side, and you have to write the validation criteria already given here. Okay. Clear? In left side there are some restrictions and there are some relation criteria. You have to write down the correct criteria in right side. In 1 minute, just do it. किस रिस्ट्रिक्शन में कौन सा क्राइटेरिया लगेगा? यहाँ पे क्राइटेरिया दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, ये लिखना है. लेफ्ट साइड में रिस्ट्रिक्शन लिखा हुआ है. अपने से सोचो. और जस्ट 30 सेकंड है तुम लोगों के पास. किसमें कौन सा क्राइटेरिया लगेगा? So time is over. Now what you have to do? Exchange your paper. Exchange. Now open it. Open it. Answer is given, and you have to do what? Put the mark. किसको कितना मिला जल्दी जल्दी मार्क दे दो. ठीक है, नीचे आंसर दिया, आंसर देख के. So इसका कितना है? 6, 3, 4. Okay. So why 3? So there are nothing in data validation. At first you think which criteria I should apply. Okay. Each number there are 2 criteria, whole number and decimal. List is just list. Make your list. Date and time, if date criteria then put date. And if you want to set some different criteria, we have to select custom. Okay. So I think it is clear now. So I have a sheet. Okay. So here is a name. Okay, criteria already given here, not exceeding more than 15 characters. Who can solve it? You. Okay, come here. And solve it. Name not exceeding more than 15 characters. Okay, good. Thank you. So you can see from text length we can set the text length. Okay. Any question from anybody? Okay, good. So now tell me, I have some question. I want to put unique record. I want to set unique record. So which criteria should applicable? Custom. So at first select the cells, custom. From here we can write formula. Then I'm writing here equals to count if, and then select the range. Fix it. What is the shortcut key to fix? F4, comma, first cell of the range. Bracket close is equal to 1. That means in this range, one cell will be counted as 1. Okay? Suppose I type account number 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. It will not accept. 1, 2, 4. It will accept. So data validation is clear. We can say what?
Some data restriction.
Restriction. Clear? So how many type of restriction criteria we can set? 8 type. What is error alert?
You can give some alert.
We can set some alert that will display if we put wrong data. Okay? So I have a challenge for you. You can see the heading account number and unique number only with 11 digits. You have to set restriction for what? Unique number and only 11 digits. You have to set what? Unique number and digit will be 11, not more than 11, not less than 11. So think it, okay, and type in lab. So it's challenge for you. So if anybody can complete, then send me. Okay. So how is data validation? I think it is very, those features of MS Excel. और what? क्या है? फायदा है क्या कुछ इससे? Any benefit? Sure. So, thank you.